Okay, this is the phone. All right, you have to put at the heat machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes. I already put my own. Now I need to open it. Okay, you open the back like this. Use the pincet and be careful for the fingerprint. You open it right round. Just be careful for the fingerprint. Don't put the pencil that much inside. Okay. You try to open it like this and slide it a bit. Okay. And you remove all the screws. So many screws at the back of the phone. Make sure you take out all the screws. Make sure you remove all the screws, remove the back cover and disconnect the fingerprint. Okay, you put it aside. Okay, and remove the battery. Okay, now you need to open the battery to take out the LCD. Okay, you remove the battery. The aside. Okay, now you need to take out this plastic. Okay, and disconnect the LCD cable and put out this machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes so you can have access to take out the LCD. After I heat it for 15 to 10 minutes, now you need to remove the LCD. Take it out. Okay. Now you need to clean all the glue right around the phone. So many glue, remove all the dirty. Make sure you clean it nice so that the new LCD can fix perfect. Make sure you clean it right around. After I clean it right around, now you need to apply the glue. Okay. You make sure you put the glue right around the phone. Okay, don't put on top of the speaker. Okay, and don't put on top of the sensor. Just be careful, make sure you put it right around. Okay, make sure you put right around the phone. Make sure you do it very nice. After you finish put the glue, now it's time to fix the LCD. And make sure you pass the LCD cable here. Okay, make sure you put the LCD straight. Okay, make sure you rest properly. Okay, then you fix the LCD cable. Make sure you get the connector perfectly before you press it down. Don't press it down if you don't get the connector perfectly so you don't spoil the connector. Okay, you make way for the battery and cover the plastic back. Okay, now you need to fix the battery. You fix the battery terminal first so you can get the right position for the battery so you don't lose the battery position. Okay, okay, after I finish, you have to fix the fingerprint cable before you put the cover and close it. Make sure you fix the fingerprint cable very nice. Okay, and now you put this back cover. Okay, now you need to replace all the screw back of the phone. So many screw, you have to make sure you put all the screw. Don't leave no screw behind. Be careful for the fingerprint cable. Make sure you put all the screw back of the phone. After I finish put all the screw, now you need to put the glue. You make sure you put the glue right around. Don't put on top of the screw, just put it right around the phone like this. Okay. Okay. Then you put the cover. Make sure you put the cover straight. Don't bend it. Okay. Then use this rubber. You have to put it there at least for 30 minutes so that the glue will dry perfect, the screen will dry, fix well, and the glue will dry perfectly. Okay. Now you need to on the phone and check the screen. It's on. That means it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.